Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign up for Monarch Money using the Monarch Money application on your mobile device. To sign up and get started with Monarch Money, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Monarch application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you've got the app, tap on it to launch it open. Monarch Money is a comprehensive personal finance management platform that brings together everything you need to optimize your finances. You can easily monitor all of your account balances, transactions, and investment in one place. Collaborate with your partner or financial advisor with no extra cost. Access Monarch on web, iOS, and Android devices. Once you get to this page, as soon as you open up the app, go ahead and pick one of the sign up options. You can sign up using your existing Apple ID, with your existing Google account, or if you want to sign up with an email address, tap on sign up with email. No matter what option you choose, make sure to follow through the guidance till the end. Now on the next page, if you've chosen email, you will need to type in your email address that you have an access to. After typing it in, click on Send Verification Code. On the next page, you will need to verify your email by typing in a 6-digit code sent to your email address. Open up the email from Monarch Money that you received and then copy the code that is 6 digits long. Once you are done with it, go back to the Monarch Money app and paste it in the code text box. Now click on Verify Email. Once your email has been verified, enter a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include one symbol and one number. Enter a password in the Password tab and finally click on Create Password. Select your financial priorities from the list and click Continue. Make sure to answer some of the questions along the way and make sure to enter your full name. Select your country of residence. Answer yes or no under do you manage your finances with a partner, and also do you work with a financial professional. After you are done answering the question, click Continue. Select a plan that works best for you from the options and tap on Start 7-day trial. Soon after you tap on the option, enter your payment methods in order to start up with a plan and start tracking all of your money in one place. So that is how you will be able to sign up with Monarch Money. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.